today's lesson, we're going to talk about places with you. So, we're going to study unit number 5 in the city and the places 5A. I can describe places in a city. Bugungi darsimizga demak xush kelibsizlar. Bugungi darsimizda joylar haqida, places, joylar haqida gaplashamiz sizlar bilan. In the city, shaharda deganaqa. Demak, I can describe places in a city. Men shahardagi joylarni tasvirlay olaman. Demak, describe tasvirlamoq, places, joylar in a city demak bir shaharda. If you pay attention to the picture, we can have different places in a city. So we do have a kind of mall, I think. This is a kind of supermarket or mall, we're gonna call it. So this is a fire station, fire rescue. We have cars here, and we do have double-decker buses. So if you're gonna pay attention, we do have the number of the bus. This is, you can see the 2 floors in the bus. We're gonna say double-decker, and this is, I think, a kind of museum. And this is gym. You know what I mean. This is the best place for men to relax, not just exercise, but to relax. Hop, okay. Demak, qanaqa joylarni ko'ryapmiz? This is a mall. Mall demak bozor, katta savdo markazi degandaqa ma'noni bildiradi. Department store ham deyiladi bu. So the second is a fire station. Fire station bu o't o'chirish demak stansiyasi. And the third one is a maybe bus station. Maybe bu yerda demak bu bus station bo'lishi mumkin, ya'ni avtobuslarni bekati. And this is a museum. Demak museum bu muzey. We do have different stones. E'tibor bergan bo'lsangiz har xil ancient stonelarni qo'yibdi bu yerga, tarixiy stonelarni. And very big museum. I think it's very good to be in this kind of museum. Well, and we do have a very big gym also. Demak bu yerda ham bitta katta gym berilgan ekan. Women and men are working here. So if you're going to pay attention, they're cycling, they're doing some different, the exercises which you have. And some of them even working with weight, ba'zilari toshlar bilan ham ishlayapti. Hop. This one is a vocabulary. Demak bugungi birinchi qismida vocabularylar bilan tanishamiz. In work in Paris and match the photos with 5 of the places in the list below. Mana bu so'zlarni sizlar bilan birgalikda o'rganamiz va bularni keyin rasmga nisbatan qo'yib chiqamiz. Airport, demak airport bu airport. Places in towns and cities. Places bu shaharlar, joylar degani, ya'ni shaharlar va kichik shaharlardagi nimalar? Joylar. Airport. So airport is aeroport, bilamiz, samolyotlar uchib qo'nadigan joy. Bank, bu bank, pul almashtiradigan joylarimiz, pul bilan muomala bo'ladigan joy. Bank, everybody knows about it. Bus station, avtobus bekati. Car park, parkovka mashinalarimiz uchun, demak parkovka qiladigan joylarimiz. Church, bu ibodatxona. Cinema, demak kinoxona. For example, I don't often go to cinema, but I usually prefer watching films on my laptop. Men misol uchun ko'p sinemaga borishni afzal ko'rmayman. Buni o'rniga kompyuterimda yoki telefonda ko'rishni afzal ko'raman, odatda kompyuterda. So the fire station o't o'chirish stansiyasi, demak gym, demak bu trenajyorniy zal. Hospital kasalxona. Hotel, ya'ni bu o'zbek tilida mehmonxona bo'ladi. Library kutubxona. Mosque bu masjid. Museum, muzey. Park. Police station. Demak bu demak politsiya stansiyasi, ya'ni militsiyaxona deymiz biz. Post office pochta. Every town in the city has their own, post office. Har bitta shaharni va demak townlarning o'zlarini post office bo'ladi. Shopping center savdo markazlari. We do have a lot for example, in Tashkent, and we do have a lot in Andijon too. Square, demak bu maydon, xiyobon degan bo'ladi. Amir Temur Square, for example, Bobur Square we have in Andijon. So swimming pool, demak bu suzish, demak basseyn desa bo'ladi, suzish havzasi. Town hall. So we do also have the town hall, train station and zoo. Xo'p, o'qilishlar avvalan demak so'zlari mana bu joyda berilgan hammasi. Police station, shopping center, demak savdo markaz, square, maydon, xiyobon, demak train station, town hall, shahar hokimiyati. What does mean shahar hokimiyati? It's a kind of building for the government usually. Demak town hallimiz odatda bu government building, government binosi desa ham bo'ladi. Zoo, hayvonot bog'i demak zoo, hayvonot bog'i. So we're gonna listen and repeat. I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna repeat. Airport, airport. Bank, bank. So if you're gonna repeat from here, so airport, airport. Bank, bank. Bus station, bus station. Car park, car park. Church, church. Cinema, cinema. Fire station. Gym. Hospital. Hotel. So library. Mosque. Museum. Park. Police station. Post office. Shopping center. Square. Swimming pool. Town hall. Train station. Zoo. Okay, we already know these words, so what are we going to do? We're going to just match the places. Oh, the first one is a shopping center. Demek bu shopping center again. The second one is a fire station. Demek bu fire station. Bus station, museum, and gym. Demek berilgan so'zlardan. And we do have the exercise number 3 here. Listen, where are the people? Odamlar qayerdaligini topishimiz kerak ekan. Choose from all the places in exercise number 1. Mana bu joylarda berilgan so'zlardan topishimiz kerak ekan buni javoblarini. Ya'ni odamlar qayerdaligini topishimiz kerak ekan va bu joylar mana bu birinchi bashda berilgan so'zlardan ekan. If you're gonna ready, I'm gonna play the first the sword exercise 2.29.
Lesson 5A, exercise 3. 1. Okay, where now?
I have to buy some shoes. What about you?
I'm hungry. I want to get a sandwich.
Okay, well, let's meet here in half an hour.
Okay, that's perfect. 2. What are these?
They're crocodiles.
They aren't moving very much.
No. Come on, let's go and see the monkeys.
3. Which gate is it?
I'm not sure. Which is our flight? Is it BA479?
Yes, it is. BA479 to Barcelona.
It's gate 15, and it's boarding now. Come on.
4. Excuse me, where is the ancient Greek room?
It's on the first floor, with ancient Egypt.
Thank you. Oh, and what time do you close?
At 5 o'clock.
Right, thanks. 5. 2 bottles of water, please.
Hurry up! The film is starting.
And some chocolate peanuts. Oh, and these sweets.
I'm going in. Have you got my ticket?
Just a moment. 6.
Mr. Williams, your leg is fine now. You can go home.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
But I can't walk very well.
You just need a few days at home.
Can I speak to the doctor?
I am the doctor.
7.
Can I help you?
Yes. I'd like to send this to Australia.
It's very heavy. Does it have to get there quickly?
Yes, it does. Is that very expensive?
Yes, it is. £64.70. And it takes 4 days to get there.
How much? 8. Can I help you?
Hello. I'm looking for a book on Mongolia.
The travel section is over there, near the window.
Thank you.
When are you going?
Now?
I mean to Mongolia.
Oh, I'm not. I just enjoy reading about these places.
Okay, if you pay attention, if you have listened to this, so demak har xil joylar haqida gaplashdi. Agar listeningda eshitgan bo'lsak, birinchi shopping center haqida gaplashdi, demak narsa sotib olamiz, qornim och deganday qildi. Zoo haqida nimaga bu krokodillar siljimayapti joyidan deganda gapirdi. Airport gate degani yo'lak degani, yo'lak haqida gaplashdi. Hop, keyin muzeyimda demak qanaqadir sectionda so'radi o'tda. Hop, 5 sinemada ketdik, kiramiz, allaqachon boshlanyapti film dedi. Kimdir popcorn nimadir olmoqchi ekan. Hospital, oyog'i leg, demak siz oyog'ingiz yaxshi, endi bemalol uyga qaytsangiz bo'ladi dedi. Post office'da jo'natib olmoqchi bo'ldi pochtani va uni og'irligini o'lchashga harakat qilishdi. Keyingisida bo'lsa library, kitobni kitob Mongolia haqida kitob o'qimoqchi ekan u. Oh, this was the listenings. Demak bu these were the listenings by the way. So demak bu listeninglar edi. Endi qarang, e'tibor beramiz, har xil joylar bor ekan. Answer the questions using places from exercise number 1. Answer the questions using places from exercise number 1. Birinchi mashqdagi exerciselardan foydalangan holatda mana bu joylarni qayerda bu ishni bajarishni bilishimiz kerak ekan. Misol uchun where do people go to? Qayerga boradi odamlar deyapti. Report a crime. Crime bu jinoyat degani. Report degani buni kimgadir aytib berish, ya'ni jinoyat haqida xabar berish uchun qayerga boradi odamlar. So, qayerga boradi? Do some exercise. Qayerda mashq qiladi? Catch a train. Demak, poyezdga chiqadi. Buy some new clothes. Yangi kiyimlar sotib oladi. See some animals. Ba'zi hayvonlarni ko'radi. Play football or have a picnic. Futbol o'ynaydi yoki piknik. Piknik degani demak bu yashil maydonda demak ovqatlanish, odatda takeaway bilan. Leave the car. Qayerga mashinasini tashlab ketadi. See a doctor. Doktorga qayerda uchrashadi? Change yoki ko'rinadi. Change pounds into dollars. Pound sterlingni dollarga qayerdan almashtiradi? Borrow a book. Kitobni qayerdan qarzga olib tursa bo'ladi o'qish uchun. The places we should write. Demak, report a crime. Qayerga boramiz biz? Report a crime. To report a crime, we go to the police station. Politsiya bo'limiga boramiz albatta. To do some exercise, we go to gym. Zalga boramiz. Catch a train. Train stationga boramiz. Buy some clothes. Shopping center. Savdo markaziga boramiz. See some animals. Zoo. We're going to go to the zoo. Hayvonot bog'i. Play football or have picnic. Park. Leave their cars. We're going to leave our cars in car park. So see a doctor in hospital and change money. So we're going to do it in bankda bajaramiz va library bu kutubxona. Oxirgisi kitobni qayerdan qarzga olib turamiz? Albatta kutubxonadan. So these were the words actually. Hop, endi e'tibor beramiz. Work in Paris, complete the gaps in the quiz using words from exercise number 1. Demak, mana bu 5-mashqda birinchi mashqdagi so'zlar joylar orqali qo'yishimiz kerak ekan. Albatta rasmga qarab. This is a photo of a blue mosque. Bu demak blue mosque, bu ko'k masjid. Bu qayerda joylashgan deyapti. Demak, ko'k masjid qayerda joylashgan? If you know any information about it, you can just do it yourself. If you don't know, I will try to help you. Demak, bu qayerda joylashgan? Bu adashmasam Istanbulda joylashgan. Demak, Istanbulda kinolarda ko'p ko'ramiz. So when you fly to Heathrowga uchayotgan vaqtingizda fly uchmoq. So which country are you visiting? Heathrow airport bo'lsa kerak bo'pti. Heathrow airportga uchayotganingizda qaysi davlatga visit qilasiz, ya'ni tashrif buyurasiz debdi. Bu yerda Englandga tashrif buyuramiz Heathrow airportda bo'lsa. Grand Central in New York is a Grand Central bu nima? Train stationmi, shopping centermi yoki bo'lmasa town hallmi? Xo'p, bizda demak bu Grand Central, demak bu train station ekan. Keyingisi The Marina Bay Sands is an expensive nima bu? Demak, Marina Bay bu nima bu? Hotelmi? Hop, in which city debdi? Expensive, demak bu hotel albatta. Qayerda joylashgan? It is in Singapore. Demak bu Singapurda joylashgan ekan. Well, inside Regent's nima bu? Regent's Park. Demak parkni rasmini ko'rib turamiz. In London there is a famous zoo, cinema, hotel nima bor o'tda? Demak bu yerda zoo bor ekan. So these were the general information. Bu demek biroz IQni tekshiradigan testlar ekan. Hop, in the next exercise number 6, we're going to revise Zera. Demak, oldingi darslarimizda Zerani o'rgangan edik va bir takrorlash qilamiz ekan. Recycle demak takrorlash, qayta ishlash. There is birlikdagi otlar oldidan yoki sanalmaydigan otlarning oldidan there is bor degan maqsadda ishlatsak bo'ladi. Zera ko'plikdagi sanaladigan otlarning oldidan ishlatamiz. We use there is with singular nouns including uncountable nouns. We use zera with plural nouns. Demak, zerani ko'plik bilan singular birlikdagi otlar bilan, uncountable sanalmaydigan ma'noda bildiradi. Demak, there is birlikdagi va sanalmaydigan otlar bilan, zera ko'plikdagi otlar bilan ishlatamiz ekan. The negative forms are there isn't, there aren't. Negative formalari bo'lsa there isn't, there aren't bo'lar ekan. Savol shaklida to be ni demak theredan oldinga olib chiqamiz. Demak are there yoki is there degan ma'noda keladi. Misol uchun, there is a bus station but there isn't airport. Bus station bor lekin airport yo'q. For example, in my hometown there is a bus station but there isn't an airport. Misol uchun meni hometownimda demak bus station bor lekin aeroport yo'q. There are 3 banks. 3 ta bank bor. There aren't any hotels. Hotellar yo'q degan ma'noda. So listen to a teenager describing his town. Demak teenager degani 13 yoshdan 19 yoshgacha bo'lgan o'smirni nazarda tutamiz. O'zini townini, shahrini demak nima qilyapti, tasvirlayapti. There is zera bilan, there isn'tlar bilan qo'yib chiqishimiz kerak. Albatta buni eshitgan holatda. Gym, swimming pool, park, station, lots of shops, do'konlar, few banks, bir nechta banklar, supermarket, cinema townlar. Demak, tayyor bo'lsak, listeningni eshitamiz.
Lesson 5A, exercises 7 and 9.
Do you like the town you live in?
Yes, I do. It isn't a very big town, and there isn't a lot to do, really. Not for people like me. For example, the gym is great. It's right in the centre of town, opposite the town hall. But it costs about £100 a month to be a member, and it hasn't got a swimming pool. In fact, there isn't a swimming pool in my town. You have to go 20 kilometres to the next town to have a swim. But at least there's a park, so I can play football with my friends. It isn't in the centre, it's on the edge of town, next to the station. I mean the bus station. There aren't any trains. I don't live close to the park, so it's a long walk.
What about shops? Is it a good place to go shopping?
Well, there aren't many shops in the centre of town. There are a few banks and a small supermarket, and that's it. Nearly all of the shops are in the shopping centre, and that's outside the town. There's a cinema inside the shopping centre, and I go there quite often. Our house is between the town and the shopping centre, so it's easy for me to go there by bus. The bus stop is very near my house, but the bus is expensive.
Stop! It sounds like a terrible place to live.
Okay, demak.
These places.
Okay, so if you have already finished it, demak tugatgan bo'lsak, endi demak tekshirib olamiz. Xo'p, demak birinchisiga nima qo'ydik? There is a gym. There is. Agar mashqni tugatmagan bo'lsangiz, videoni qaytadan ko'rib chiqing va listeningni bajarib oling, keyin birgalikda tekshirib chiqasiz. So the first one was there is, the second one there isn't. Ikkinchisi nima bo'ldi? There isn't bo'ldi. So the second one is there isn't. Demak bu yerda yozish biroz qiyinroq. The third one was there is. Third one was there is. Fourth one was there isn't. Fifth one was there aren't. So, and the sixth one was there are. And 7 was there is. and 8 was there isn't. So this was exercise, by the way. Hop, demak, albatta buni zeraligini qatdan bilsak bo'ladi, lekin pozitiv negativligini albatta eshitib qilish kerak. Demak, birlikdagi otlarimiz hammasiga there is ishlatiladi, faqat bu yerda negativ pozitivga qarab aytyapti, ya'ni bor yo'qligiga qarab. Demak, ko'plikda are ishlatyapti, banks ham, lots of shops ham ko'plikda, supermarket, cinema birlikda bo'lgan uchun yana there is ishlatyapmiz. Hop, endi keyingi mashqqa o'tadigan bo'lsak, prepositions, place, endi prepositionlar bilan tanishamiz ekan. Hop, bular qanday joylashishini bildiradigan so'zlar hisoblanadi. Tarjimasiga keladigan bo'lsak, behind orqasida degan, demak behind orqasida, between o'rtasida, close to yaqinida, in ichida, inside ichida, in front of oldida, qarama-qarshisida, near yonida, yaqinida, next to ham xuddi shunaqa yonida, ya'ni yonma-yon joylashgan bo'lsa buni shunaqa aytamiz. Opposite qarshisida. Demak, opposite bu qarshida degan ma'noni bildiradi. Okay. So, outside tashqarida degan ma'noni bildiradi. Demak, behind ortida, between o'rtasida, close to yaqinida, in inside ichida, in front of qarama-qarshisida, near yaqinida, next to yonida, opposite qarama-qarshida, outside tashqarida. So we're going to have another listening, boyagi listeningni qaytadan eshitamiz ekanda va bu savollarga javob topishimiz kerak. Qarang, listen again and answer the questions debdi. Savollarni tarjima qilib beraman, listening qo'yib beraman, o'zingiz topishga harakat qilasiz va keyin javoblarni aytaman, albatta tekshirib olasiz. What is a town hall opposite? Town hallni qarshisida nima bor? What is the park next to? Park nimaga next to, ya'ni yaqinida joylashgan? Is the shopping center in town or outside the town? Shopping center shaharning ichidami yoki shaharning tashqarisidami? What is inside the shopping center? Shopping centerning ichida nima joylashgan, nima bor? Where does the speaker live? Speaker qayerda yashaydi? Between ishlashimiz kerak ekan javobimizda. What is bus stop close to? Bus stop, bus stansiyasi, ya'ni avtobus bekati nimaga yaqin joyda joylashgan? So if you're ready, I'm going to play the tape and you're going to find answers.
Lesson 5A, exercises 7 and 9.
Do you like the town you live in?
Yes, I do. It isn't a very big town, and there isn't a lot to do, really. Not for people like me. For example, the gym is great. It's right in the centre of town, opposite the town hall. But it costs about £100 a month to be a member, and it hasn't got a swimming pool. In fact, there isn't a swimming pool in my town. You have to go 20 kilometres to the next town to have a swim. But at least there's a park, so I can play football with my friends. It isn't in the centre, it's on the edge of town, next to the station. I mean the bus station. There aren't any trains. I don't live close to the park, so it's a long walk.
What about shops? Is it a good place to go shopping?
Well, there aren't many shops in the centre of town. There are a few banks and a small supermarket, and that's it. Nearly all of the shops are in the shopping centre, and that's outside the town. There's a cinema inside the shopping centre, and I go there quite often. Our house is between the town and the shopping centre, so it's easy for me to go there by bus. The bus stop is very near my house, but the bus is expensive.
Stop! It sounds like a terrible place to live.
Okay, that was all. So, if you have finished it, I can show you the answers. Agar tugatgan bo'lsak javoblarni ko'rsataman. Agar tugatmagan bo'lsangiz, listeningni yana bir martadan qaytarib qo'yib chiqing. So, if you have finished it, let's check the answers. Demak, javoblarni tekshiramiz keling. The first one. What is the town hall opposite? Town hall opposite nima bor? It is opposite the gym. Gym bor ekan. Gym opposite da joylashgan ekan town hall. It is next to the bus station. Demak, what is the park next to? Next to. Ya'ni parkning oldida nima joylashgan? Bus station bor ekan. Is the shopping center in town or outside the town? Demak, bu outside the town ekan. On the edge. There is a cinema in this inside the shopping center. Demak, shopping center ichida nima bor ekan? Cinema bor ekan. what is inside the shopping center degan savolimizga javob. 5-si, where does the speaker live? Qayerda yashar ekan? He lives between the town and the shopping center. Town bilan shopping centerni o'rtasida yashar ekan. Or what is the bus stop close to? Bus stop nimaga yaqin deyapti? It is close to his house. Bu uyiga yaqin ekan. So opposite qarshisida, next to yonida, outside tashqarida, inside ichida, between o'rtasida, close to yaqinida degan ma'noni bildiradi. Demak, biz bularni o'rgandik. Va speaking bor ekan, albatta buni ham bajarishingiz kerak. Savollarga javob berishingiz kerak ekan. Hop, sizni hometowningizda is there any degani birorta bormi degan ma'noda. Is there any yoki is there any birlikda ko'plik qarab. Is there any hotels? Hotellar bormi? Are they cheap or expensive? Lar qimmatmi yoki arzonmi? Is there any swimming pool? Swimming pool bormi sizni shahringizda? Is it public or private? Public jamoat uchun umumiy, private shaxsiymi? Is there a shopping center? Shopping center bormi? Is it small, kichkinami yoki is it large, kattami degan ma'noda. Is there any airport? Airport bormi birorta? Is it inside or outside the town? Shaharning ichidami yoki tashqarisidami? Is there any parks? Parklar bormi? Are they busy or quiet? Ular bandmi? Busy band. Juda mashina to'la degan ma'noda, quiet, sokin yoki bo'lsa bo'shmi degan ma'noda kelyapti bu yerda. So this was I think all the things that we're going to have in today's demak places unit. Demak bugungi places unitida demak shu narsalarni o'rgandik. Places joylar, in the city shaharda, demak har xil joylarni o'rgandik. Bularni bir uyda qaytarasiz albatta. So we do have different places also. Crime jinoyat, yangi so'z o'rgandik. Picnic, change, o'zgartirmoq, almashtirmoq, mask, demak IQ testlarimiz ham bor ekan bu yerda. Demak, these were all we started with you in today's lesson. See you guys see you in the next lessons. Okay, have a good time. Keep learning English.